So after we published the video, the end of Microsoft Office, there were quite a few questions that were relating to Office and what it's going to become, how it's going to, what it's going to cost, and how can we set it up. So today we're actually going to answer all of those questions on how we can purchase a new Office 365 license or subscription and how to set it up on your PC or device. How's guys, what's going on? My name is Prashant, welcome back to techsceneza. If this is your first time here, you better make sure you're subscribed because you're missing out on all the awesome content that we put out. So, firstly, if you haven't watched our previous video detailing the end of Microsoft Office 3 or Microsoft Office 2019 and all the years, you can click the link in the description up there and watch that video. So on to the first question is, how do we purchase a Office 365 license, right? And we're going to turn to our PC, and what we're actually going to do, we're going to turn to our PC. You can just Google Microsoft 365 and it will come up with the ability of purchasing these 365 licenses, either personal or family. So remember, I suggest family because family is the package that comes with 5 licenses, 6 licenses, 5 devices each for 1,300 Rand. Or you can purchase a personal package which is for 1 individual and 5 licenses or 5 devices for 1,000 Rand. So you see the economics of that, right? So you can purchase it directly from the Microsoft Store, or you can purchase it from Takealot, as well as most of our retailers like Macro, Game, everyone sell these Microsoft 365 subscriptions as a little voucher card which you can buy, you scratch it off and you input that product code and you can just set it up. Okay, so after this we need to talk about logging in. So from here you can go to the Microsoft 365 login. Right, it'll bring you to this page. If you don't already have an account, it'll ask you to log in. But this Microsoft 365 is your online work platform. So you can edit your documents, edit your PowerPoint, Excel, everything online. And once you have your sort of subscription sorted out, you can come here and actually download or install the apps straight from the web. So you see, come here, this is now showing you your Microsoft account. You can select which version, what language, and you click install. What it will do, it will download that installation file to your wherever. I can save mine here, and that is actually downloading your Office, and then you run the install like how you would normally install Office, and it installs the whole package, Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, Outlook, all the applications that you need. Alright, if you have a family package like mine, you see you would have your subscription here. So manage subscription is telling me the next time it's going to charge me is on the 24th of December 2023, and it's going to charge me 1,300 Rand including VAT. I can switch my plan if I want, or if I decide to buy like any of these, not any of these, but any of the prepaid cards which are cheaper, I can do that and just redeem it here. Okay, so as I mentioned, you are allowed 5 devices. So you could install this on 5 devices per license or per person. So you can see mine, it's installed on my PC, it's installed on this, whatever this is, and it's installed on another desktop. Plus I have it installed on my phone. And we can also share subscriptions, right? So you can see at the moment it's my subscription which is the main, and I manage all the other users underneath me, and I have my sister who's added in here who also has one of the other 5 user licenses that are available. So remember, if you're purchasing a family license, it is 6 individuals, 5 devices per individual, plus a terabyte free worth of storage. So the terabyte alone is actually cheaper than the entire package. It's absolutely worth it. You can see it's quite easy, and I think in under 10 minutes hopefully I would have covered everything that you can do with your new Microsoft 365 license. So that brings us to the end, guys. I hope this answered your questions, and if you actually do have any other questions relating to Microsoft 365 or Microsoft 365 subscription, you can leave your comments down below in the comment section, and I will try my absolute best to help you out. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant, and I will see you in the next video.